Friends, open Pixart app. Now tap on this plus icon. Tap on edit a photo and select the background. Friends, this is the background I am going to use. This is dual photo editing tutorial. First step, go to add photos, select the model image. By using this cutout tool, I already erased the background. Now arrange this model image perfectly in the center like this. Okay, I have to arrange it perfectly in the center like this. Now tap on eraser, tap on erase, keep the size like this, and you have to erase on the bottom portions like this. Okay, erase like this. Perfect. Now tap on tick. Now go to opacity, decrease opacity to around 95. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to add photo and select standing position model image. Arrange this model perfectly in the center, in this portion here. You have to arrange perfectly like this. Now tap on shadow, tap on position, keep it around 110 and this one around 100. Now tap on adjust, keep it 100 and keep this around 30. Okay, now tap on screen. Now tap on text, write the model name. Tap on done, tap on tick, and this is the font I am going to use. It is available in Pixart. Okay, Sigma 1, and bring this perfectly in this portion. Now tap on layer, tap on move down. Okay, perfect. Now tap on eraser, tap on erase, keep the size and opacity and hardness to the same, and you have to erase the bottom portion of the text. Okay, erase like this. You have to erase, you have to give the shadow effect look. Okay, erase perfectly on the bottom portion like this. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Now tap on tick. Next step, go to FX, tap on colors, tap on black and white, decrease the amount to 0. Now tap on eraser, tap on invert, tap on restore, keep the size to around 10 and hardness to like this. Now have to give the shadow look to the, you have to tap on restore and you have to draw below to give this shadow realistic look. Perfect. Now tap on tick, and you have to save this image in Pixart and you have to take this image to the Snapseed application. See you there. Friends, open Snapseed, tap on this plus, add the model image. Friends, the first step, go to pencil and you have to go to vintage and you have to select the third one and tap on settings, and you have to give the style strength around 5 and Vignette strength around 15 like this. Now tap on tick. Next step, go to pencil, go to details, increase the details to around 50. Now tap on tick. Now tap on pencil, go to HDRscape and select people and give filter strength around 5. Now tap on tick. Next step, go to pencil, go to tune image, give little brightness, little contrast, decrease little saturation, decrease little ambience, decrease little highlights, and little, you have to decrease little shadow, give little warmth. Now tap on tick. Step, you have to save this image in Snapseed app and take it to Autodesk. Then tap on this pencil and you have to scroll down and you have to select this smudges first one and tap on settings, and you have to keep the size around 15 and you can flow 19 and strength also 18. Now tap on screen, you have to start drawing on hair. Okay, In this we are going to arrange this hair part. The next step, we have to increase this size of model hair. It is perfect. We have to save this image. Okay, tap on gallery and save the current text. Friends, the final output. See you in next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.